Welcome to our tutorial on adding audio to Google Slides. Whether you're creating a captivating presentation or an educational slideshow, incorporating audio can elevate your content. In this video, we will walk you through the process step by step. 1. Upload your audio file to Google Drive. If you haven't already, upload your audio file, in MP3 or WAV format, to your Google Drive. Share the folder containing the audio file with anyone who has the link. 2. Open your Google Slides presentation. Launch Google Slides and open the presentation where you want to add audio. 3. Insert the audio. Click on the slide where you want to insert the audio. Go to the menu bar and select Insert Audio. 4. Choose your audio file. In the Insert Audio window, switch to the My Drive tab. Select the uploaded audio file from your Google Drive. Click the blue Select button. 5. Position and customize. A speaker icon, in a gray circle, will appear on the slide. Resize the icon by clicking and dragging the handles. Move the icon to your desired location on the slide. 6. Playback options. Underneath the icon, you'll find play/pause and volume controls. Decide whether the audio should play automatically or when clicked. Adjust the volume for seamless presentation. 7. Test your presentation. Click the icon to ensure the audio works as expected. Test both during editing, present button, and sharing, share button. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.